Hi, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about storage in Kahana. When you sign up for free, you get 1 gigabyte of storage on us. When you upgrade to premium, you get 5 gigabytes of storage for all of your hubs. And if you're a part of a team, an organization, or a company and you need more than 5 gigabytes of storage, we have custom tailored solutions for you, and we'd be happy to hear more about what your needs are. In order to get in touch with us, feel free to reach out to us via email at info@kahana.co, start a chat with our live chat through the Help Center, or contact sales through the managed subscription page that you're looking at right now. You can do this on your phone, on your desktop, on your tablet. Just head over to the managed subscription page and click contact sales, and we'll be happy to hear about what types of storage needs you have, and we can come up with a tailored solution that really meets your needs. So I hope this helps, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video.